Kenyan president exposed those who kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu as Malami is finally set to go to jail. Yes, almost see celebration. I knew it that once those who kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu is exposed, that Malami will go to jail. I've said it. It may take time, but it will come to pass, and that is what is about to happen. Yes, sir. All right, my people, I congratulate you now because this is good news to me. I don't know about you. I've been waiting for this day to come, and it has finally come. That very day has come, and that day is now. The AGF Malami, the AGF of the Federation, the man who is the one who plotted and orchestrated the plan to kidnap and not even arrest Nnamdi Kanu, has been exposed. Believe me, who did that? Who did that? We are talking about the person of the former Kenya president, Kenyatta. Kenyatta is currently planning to be in Nigeria. Maybe he has come, but we don't know, because there is this news that Kenyatta is already in Nigeria, but to stand as a witness in support of Nnamdi Kanu, not to appear in the next hearing, but to speak as a witness with the new judge, one-on-one with the new judge. So maybe they decided not to bring him in court as a witness because anything, say that guy, Kenyan president Kenyatta, he knows so much about the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, his kidnap and everything and how it happened in Kenya. Forget this very news that he is bringing up that I don't know if he's when he was kidnapped. I don't know who kidnapped him. I don't know if he entered my country, Kenya. I don't know. All this he was saying then was to protect himself when he have seen that the truth about Nnamdi Kanu's innocence is out. So to get himself out of the case, he now decided to lie. You understand? My dear people, with this being looked at, I will say that the plan to release Nnamdi Kanu should be hastened.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Monday, 26th day of May, 2025. This issue of Soludo's security outfit called Udogachi, I started reporting the atrocities of this security outfit, and some people termed it as political. That, oh, maybe this guy is affiliated to other opposition in Anambra State. And because of that, I said, no, I don't want people to, misunderstand me. I stopped reporting about the atrocities. Now, my attention was drawn to the video published by Harrison Gwamnishu on Facebook. And I saw this video, how this Operation Udogache, they have their own prison. Vigilante group, you people should listen, you will watch the video. They have their own prison. And there is an allegation, serious allegation, that has been leveled upon these people. Now, fast track to some months ago, Labour Party House of Assembly member who won the case in court was murdered. He was kidnapped and murdered. The person who murdered him, 2 persons, they were arrested. Tell me, why do they release those people? Who released them? The Anambra State government can answer that question. Now, there is an allegation of organ harvesting. There is an allegation of organ harvesting. There is an allegation that people who died in the midnight, that Soludo's men will take them and go and throw them away. Now, I want you to watch this video. You will see people at the balcony where they turn to prison by the security operatives. And a lot of talks that is surrounding this video is what I want us to discuss after this video. But for now, I want you to take your time and watch. Take a look.
Good morning, my name is Harrison Gwamnishu. This is an emergency, all right? If you're watching this video, please help me and repost it and help me, to share it so the authority can be aware of what is going on in Anambra State, all right? Before I start, please watch this video. This is the office in Oka. This is AVG, so Anambra Vigilante Group. I think that's the name. It's a security outfit. It's not a police station. It's not a military base or owned by civil defense. This is just a vigilante group, security outfits, who are supposed to work with the police. But now, if you watch this building, by the side of the building, this is where they have the cell. They have up to 1, 2, 3 cells in this place. You see, if you go back, let's go back again. You will see that you have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 cells by the side of the building. Now look at this man. Look at this man unhandcuffed in the cell. These people here have been here since January this year. January, nobody took them to court. Vigilante outfit. Look at them. Look at people. Look at people. Look at human beings. Look at them. These are people. Some of them, their families are looking for them. Look at them here. Look at them. This is just one of the cells. There are other cells, one by the right, another one again before this one. You understand? So this video just watched now is from Anambra State, Udogwachi, the vigilante, the security outfit set up by the government. All right. Do they have right to have a holding cell where they keep people for 4, 3 months, 5 months? Do they have the power? If they have the power, who give them the power? This security outfit are not supposed to be regulated, supervised by the police. What are the police doing? What is Commissioner of Police Anambra State doing? That if a security outfit can have a cell and keep people for 5 months, 4 months, more than 150 persons are currently held in their facility without trial, without taking them to a competent court of jurisdiction. What is going on? Is the governor aware of this? Is the governor aware of what's going on? Is the military aware that this security outfit is holding people in the cell for months without trial? What's going on with us in this country? Should I talk about the people who died in the custody, that they moved away in the night to God knows where? A lot of every day they are missing people. Nobody knows where they are. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with us in this country? Yes, thank you for your good job, Udogachi. But why not do the work? Follow the rule of law, the process. The process. Who gave you the right to own a holding cell where you keep people for months? Who gave you the right to have a cell where you keep people for months? They are in the cell suffering. There is no toilet facility, so once they go to toilet, they tie it in a nylon, they throw it out to the next compound. That same compound, they took people to court. I don't know how they did it. The government, the people got scared and they all vanished. I've tried to reach out to the Commissioner of Police Anambra State. I don't have his number to report this thing going on to him. All right, and I just pray that this video will get to them. Is it legal for a security outfit, a vigilante, to have a holding cell where they keep people for months? You keep people in the holding cell for months. It becomes an issue. It becomes a serious issue for not just the people, also to the government and to the authorities. It becomes a serious issue.
Now, pay attention to this. Glad that you watched to this point. For those of you who are Soludo supporters, because anytime I publish video that concerns Anambra State and what is going on there, a lot of people start attacking me unnecessarily, but I don't care. It's none of my business. Anybody on the media space should get ready for something like that. Now, let us start from here. The allegation that people are being sold, they are sending people from this cell. I don't know how many people they bring every day, how many people they are taking out every day, but there is an allegation that you people are doing organ harvesting. This is let me say it's a rumor, confirmed talk, okay? This is the same thing that has been going on in Anambra State before. Stay with me. This is the same issue that has been going on in Anambra State since last week. The same insecurity, people are being killed in Anambra, people are missing every day. Later, you people will say it is IPOB, it is ESN, it is this, it is that. You see, no matter how you people lie or lie travels, anything about injustice and lies will expire. There is a particular date where all these things will expire. Go and look at my past videos. I did 4 months ago, 3 months ago, I talked about these things. People said, Okucha, no, don't go there. Don't go there. These people are working. I say, these people are working is not the problem. People are being killed for nothing. What is the crime of these people here? If these people have a crime, they could have charged them to court because they don't have crime. What about the people who are dying in the midnight that they are taking to go and throw away in the river? No, for Christ's sake, we are talking about human beings here. We are talking about human beings. We are not talking about animals. I don't know how people feel when human beings are dying, but I don't feel well. That is why I hate crime. I hate anything about killing. And that is why I'm not comfortable with anything insecurity. I'm not comfortable with it. So what is the essence of these people? Now, let me tell you. You see, things that are not in the media is more dangerous than the things you see in the media. Who can account for the number of people who are dying from these cells? Who can account for them? Now, let me give you another security insight. Do you see the guy on handcuff? Let me tell you. That guy on handcuff will not stay in his hand more than 2 days. He's coming from somewhere and maybe he's going to another place. Where is he going? Where are they sending these people? I am asking because our people don't ask questions. Our people don't ask questions. So, Governor Soludo, they told me you are aware of everything going on up here. That you are aware, that the government is fully aware, that the government is monitoring situations. I want to ask you, Governor Soludo, you as a governor, a professor, is this thing good? Is this okay? This Udogache, did you actually set it up for insecurity situation or for another thing? This is the same thing that you people have been accusing IPOB, even when IPOB will come out and say, it is not us, we are not the one doing it. But people will do things, people will say it is IPOB. Is it not the same thing Soludo and his men are now doing? Is it not the same thing that you people are accusing IPOB of? Now, we are coming, I learned that some political, folks before were kidnapped. That was January, February. Some political, folks. When I mean political folks, I'm talking about people who are in opposite political party. Maybe people they perceive to be, let me say, an opponent. These people might stand ground against us. January, February, I received such news very well. A lot of people send me voice notes, but I decided to bone everything about Soludo and Anambra State for a reason. I decided to bone. So, what is going on in Anambra State is not good. It's not good. Is this the only cell? No. How can they defend this now? How can they defend this? Just answer me. How can Soludo and his men defend this? Later they will tell you it is IPOB, it is this, it is that. But in the voice of Hope Uzodinma, he said,
if anybody tells you that IPOB is the one killing people in Oluzon, it is not correct. Wicked politicians are sponsoring the killings in Olu. Last week in Oberuru, the APC ward chairman was killed in his house. The APC secretary was killed in his house. APC woman leader was killed in his house. I have cross-checked Since the inception of this banditry, not one PDP man has died.
The federal government, a witness in Nnamdi Kanu's trial, has told the Federal High Court that Amotekun is different from the Eastern Security Network because it's registered and also established by legislation from the various state assemblies in the Southwest. Celestina area, Asmo.
The day's proceedings started with counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, Paul Irokoro, explaining why the defense team could not file the videos they wanted to play in court on time. Mr. Irokoro explained that they had to edit the videos to remove parts of them that was not relevant to the case. Justice James Omotosho was not happy with the defense team and warned quite sternly about any attempt to delay the case any further. The judge said he would give 6 days to the prosecution to call their witnesses, regardless of how many witnesses they have, and if they fail to finish their witnesses within 6 days, he would deem their case closed. 9 days will be given to the defense to present their case after the prosecution has closed theirs. Under cross-examination, Mr. BBB was asked whether Nnamdi Kanu's passport was in the custody of the DSS. He said he cannot confirm. He was also asked where Nnamdi Kanu made the broadcasts he was accused of. He said he made them in various locations. Mr. Kanu's lawyer referred to the video that was played in court. He asked the witness if he observed that members of the ESN in the video in the parade were not carrying arms. Mr. BBB said he couldn't say. He alleged they may be carrying arms concealed in their bodies, but I did not see any rifles. A report of the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry on restitutions for victims of the EndSARS protest was shown to the witness and read out the title. The document was tendered in evidence. The defense team also tendered from the bar a flash drive which they intend to play in court and was admitted as evidence. A video was played in court on behalf of the defense team which showed retired General T.Y. Danjuma saying that armed forces are not neutral, alleging they collide with armed bandits and terrorists. Another video showed the DG of DSS, Oluwatosin Adeola Ajayi, giving a speech and making an example with Azara, a community in Bauchi State, who stood and killed Boko Haram terrorists who came to attack them. Another video was also played showing the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, saying that IPOB was not responsible for the killings in Ugbereru community. About the T.Y. Danjuma's video, Paul Irokoro asked Mr. BBB what he makes of Danjuma's comments. He said he was not here to interpret his remarks. Mr. BBB admitted that T.Y. Danjuma was not arrested. Under re-examination, Mr. BBB was asked what he makes of the comments of the DSS DG. He said he believed the DG was advising them on the need to reach out to the DSS for strategy and approval before setting up the defense. About the video of Hope Uzodinma, Mr. BBB says he believes the governor was referring to political killings, but the killings by IPOB cut across politicians, members of armed forces, civilians and everyone, not just politicians. Also about Amotekun, Mr. BBB said Amotekun is different from ESN because it is registered and also set up by legislations from the various state house of assemblies in the southwest. The court adjourned till May 28th, 29th and June 6th, 16th, 18th and 19th for continuation of hearing. Celestina area.
Thanks for tuning in to Smart Okason TV show. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share to keep the intellect flowing.